Leona's Happy Toy Videos.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
Our names are Leona
And Santino.
Today we're going to open Barbie and the Ryan's egg. Don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell and the thumbs up button and comment down below.
Time to open! We will open my Ryan's egg first. You don't know what's inside it.
What did you get? What's this? I got mystery putty.
Mystery putty.
And we also got the Ryan's mystery squishy figure.
Mystery squishy.
Which one do you want to open first? The putty?
Yeah.
Wait, what's this? Let's open this first because it looks squishy.
Yeah.
How can we open this?
We can get this or that.
Oh, what's this? Let's see what this is.
Maybe it must be
It says drawing world, but it doesn't have any clue.
maybe this must be slime.
I don't think it's slime. Wait, it's a Ryan. It's a skydiver Ryan. You can open it.
You need scissors so you will know what it's called.
And don't forget to be careful because scissors are very sharp.
Yeah, and they might hurt you.
This is what I got.
Razor Ryan.
Santino, look. You got a Ryan
Mask
Ryan
again.
mask. Now you have two. Okay.
Yeah.
I think this is satisfying. Oh, look at this, right?
Whoa!
No, let's squish it. Oh, look at that. Show the camera.
I wonder what's inside. It must be something like.
Oh my god! How do I open this?
It's a parachute. It's Ryan. It's for Ryan's.
Oh my god!
How can you do it? Mystery! What do you mean, mystery? I wanted you to fly down!
Look what you got, Chino. You got Gus. This is a putty.
Can I squish
It's
it?
so stretchy, right?
This it smells like bubbles.
Huh? Bubblegum?
Come on.
We found out that the putty is color changing. When it's warm, it's blue. And when it's cold, it's purple. We got the putty, and we got the mold, we got the parachute, and we got the yellow ride mobile, we got the mask, and we got the Gus,
And we got the Barbie.
Go.
now we have to open the Barbie.
Go.
We got the doll out, and it came with a backpack, a purse, toothpaste and a toothbrush, a sleeping mask, a camera, a cell phone, a puppy, headphones, and the luggage.
Yeah.
Now let's put everything into the luggage. We also got these stickers. We're going to make a magazine, a boarding pass, and a passport. We can use the other stickers to decorate our suitcase.
Oh.
So I'm gonna put the suitcases here in the middle. Now we're done decorating the suitcase. This is what it looks like. Now we're going to make the boarding pass, the passport, and the magazine. Step 1, we're going to put all of these stickers into the cardboard. And we're going to use the cardboard that came with the Barbie. Step 2 is to cut them out. Now we cut out the magazine, the boarding pass, and the passport. Now she's all ready to fly. Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you pressed the notification bell, the thumbs up button, and the subscribe button. Comment down below what your favorite toy is, the Barbie or the Ryan's egg. Bye!